Hey guys, a very warm welcome. Good morning. I'm Hina Bhimani. You guys are watching me live on your favorite Goki app, on your favorite to the Hina Bhimani Wellness Show. And today we will be discussing about one of the best yoga routine which you can do. So as a beginner, if you want to start yoga or if you're already into yoga, I'm going to give you different variations so that you can kickstart your day and do this amazing sequence which will help you to stay fit and which will also help you to increase flexibility and improve your energy level. So guys, stay tuned, keep watching Goki, and if you have any questions for me, please feel free to ask me. We have so many amazing viewers. Nagalakshmi, good morning. Sukhdeep, Shubhadeep Day, good morning. We have Anand Radhakrishnan, good morning. Pankaj Garg, namaste. Jatawat ji, Anandu Radhakrishna, Kapil Goel, good morning. Good morning, Dr. Ashutosh. So guys, just in a few minutes from now, we are going to be starting this amazing session, challenge, amazing quiz. So guys, participate in the quiz. The best part about this quiz is with this quiz, you guys can donate these points and get face masks for all our frontline helpers. So for our government admins, for our cops, for our medical staff, nurses, doctors, helpers. So let's all play the quiz and let's all try and donate the points to Uday Foundation, which is going to help us to make these masks and give it to them. So guys, this is going to be an amazing initiative that you can do sitting at home. So as a responsible citizen, we all want to do our best to contribute to this society for what is happening. We are all worried about this coronavirus thing. So sitting at home, this is something that we can do. Furhan, good morning. Walaikum assalam. Pradeep Praparvate, good morning. Rahul Gupta, good morning. Good morning, Megha. Very good to see you all. So guys, we are going to be soon doing a good yoga session, a morning session, which will really help you. So guys, stay tuned. And I'm so happy. Subah bhi this coronavirus ke time, maybe people are getting up and doing the quiz and participating in this fitness class. So I'm very happy to see all this. So 450 log, almost 430 people, 450 people. Okay, so good, great guys. All the very best. In a few seconds from now, the quiz is going to start. So play the quiz, and after the quiz, we are going to start this session. And also encourage your friends and family to participate in this quiz and keep playing. The best is this quiz will keep happening throughout the day. So participate, and also your knowledge on health, on coronavirus, on this pandemic is going to enhance. So all the best. Annie, hi, good morning. Anita Rao, good morning. All the best. So guys, the quiz is over. Let me know what's the score and we will start discussing today's topic, a routine which will really help you to energize. So morning yoga routine, बताइए क्या score है, and then we will start discussing today's topic. 650 people already in the morning. So happy to see you all. Good morning everyone. So अभी हम करने जा रहे हैं कि योगा रूटीन. Also guys, there's a good news for you all. I am sure we all are participating in this Goki challenge where you have to watch, you have to join one of the live coaches and do your workout with them. Or what you can do is you can watch the videos which is labeled under quarantine home workout. So if you see that video, you get 1 point. Every day you can see one, or you can see as many video as you can. You have to accumulate 30 points. If you get 30 points, you are eligible to, top 5 Goki players are eligible to get Goki merchandise, and top 100 Goki players win a chance to get 3000 Goki cash, with which you can buy different stuff from the Goki store. Good morning, Pradeep Parvate, back in the class. Yes, good morning everyone. So guys, let's start. I think you guys can send in your scores. We should start today's session. So since we are sitting, we'll start with a very basic stretch. So sit with your legs crossed. Okay, now people who have knee pain and who cannot sit on the floor, don't worry. You can do the same stretch sitting on your sofa or on your chair. I'm going to show you the variation for that. Also, good morning Krishna, namaste. So I'm sitting with my legs crossed. Keep your back straight. Take a deep breath in. Stretch your hands up. Breathing out, slowly bend forward. Walk your fingers forward and drop your head down. Feel the stretch in your back. Feel the stretch in your hips. Keep on breathing. Go down as much as you can. If you cannot go all the way down, go only how much your body allows you to, okay? Then breathing in, come back, switch, change the interlock of your leg. Breathe in, stretch your hands up. Breathing out, slowly go down. Again, walk your fingers forward, drop your head down and stretch. Inhale and slowly come up, stretch your hands up, exhale and up. Now I'm going to turn the camera so that I can show you people who cannot sit down. So say people, elderly people in your house, people with knee pain can also do the stretch. Okay, I will do it on my sofa. Okay, I'll show you how to do it. Sit with your back straight, keep your knees bent, take a deep breath in, stretch your hands up. Breathing out, slowly go down. Okay, if you see even here the back is getting stretched. Just feel the stretch in your back. Inhale, come up. Exhale and down. So this is for people who are elderly in your house. Please make them do this stretch. This is a very good stretch for them. Okay, because sitting all the time the back feels very stiff. So doing the stretch will improve the flexibility. Kiran Bhausar, namaste. Good morning everyone. So many of you all, good morning. Okay, this is the first stretch. Now going on to the next one. Since we are sitting, we'll start with basic stretches. Okay, we'll start with the head. Okay, and then we'll go towards the leg. So slowly rotate your head. You guys can do all this along with me. Clockwise 3 times. And 3 times anti-clockwise. Feel the stretch. Okay, then drop your head at the back, open and close your mouth. When you do this, you will feel the stretch in your neck. Very good for toning your jawline. So drop your head at the back, open and close your mouth. This is my favorite stretch because this really makes me feel nice and tight on my neck. Okay, people who have double chin, people who have loose skin over here, this is a great stretch for them. Then the next one is your here to your shoulder. Keep your neck long. Okay, don't sit like this. Keep your back straight, neck long. Drop your ear to your shoulder. You will feel a nice stretch over here. Then you lift your chin. Okay, again very very good for stretching your jawline. Change, go to the other side. Ear to your shoulder, chin up. And down. Now twist and look back. Keep your shoulders down, your chin parallel to your shoulder. Go to the other side. This looks like a very simple stretch, but this is very very good for stretching your neck. Also very good for people who have thyroid issues. People who have thyroid issues have sluggish thyroid glands. So if you're sitting, doing a basic stretch like this, okay, where you're turning your head and you're twisting, will really help you too, because you're using your neck muscles, okay, you're doing everything over here. So this will activate your thyroid glands. Do that regularly. Okay, now coming to your shoulders, slowly rotate your shoulders. This is the basic stretch we know. Okay, you can even rotate your arms. Okay, standing, this can be done standing. Breathe in, breathe out. Rotate your hands clockwise 5 times, anti-clockwise 5 times. You take it back and up. Okay, then if you're standing, okay, you can swing your arm, one up, one at the back, one up, one at the back, one up, one at the back. Okay, now we'll stretch our biceps and triceps. So hold your wrist, okay, pull it towards the opposite side, okay, without bending your elbow. Stretch. Then hold your wrist, stretch. Then hold your elbow, pull it down. Then to the other side, pull it down and release. Now interlace your fingers round your upper back. Okay, keep your back straight, interlace your fingers, breathe in. Breathing out, round your upper back. Inhale, come back. Exhale, stretch. Round your upper back and down. Okay, now twist your back, grab your opposite knee and look back. Inhale, center. Exhale, twist. And come back. Okay, so this is the basic stretch. Now we'll start with we'll do for the legs. Okay, keep your legs straight, keep your back straight. Okay, curl your toes. Let me sit like this so you guys can see me. Curl your toes, keep pressing your knees down, and this will help you to strengthen your knees. Very good for people who have knee pain. Okay, curl your toes, keep pulling your toes towards you and keep pressing your knees down. Point your toes. Curl your toes, point one in, one out, and then rotate it clockwise, anti-clockwise. Okay, now we are going to start with the stretch. We'll start with the first stretch, which is what I love. Okay, butterfly stretch. This will open up your inner thighs and increase your flexibility of your inner thighs. So keep your back straight. Just warm up in quick 2 minutes whatever we did, and then you can start doing all these asanas. Keep your back straight, keep pressing your knees down, roll your shoulders back, keeping your chest upright, keep going forward. Okay, elbows out and go down. Try to either touch your head to your toes or touch your head on the floor. Okay, you can even walk your fingers forward and stretch. Feel the stretch. And come back. Very, very good to open up your inner thighs and improve the flexibility of your inner thighs. Very good stretch for the back. Okay, so we've been sitting all the time because of this lockdown and not moving at all. So these stretches will really increase the blood circulation and will help you to improve your flexibility, or body pain nahi hoga. So moving, if you're stretching, it will really help you to feel good about yourself. Okay, this is the first stretch. Okay, the next one is where you keep one leg straight, fold one leg. Okay, so one leg is straight, the other leg is folded. We are doing Janu Sirasana, 90-degree angle. Very, very good for your back, very good for your leg Okay, take a deep breath in. Breathing out, slowly go down. Grab your foot, roll your shoulders back, press your knee down, and hold the stretch. Hold the stretch. Keep on breathing. Inhale and come up. Exhale and twist. Now with your left hand, grab your right knee. Okay. Turn and try to reach your toes. Turn and try to reach your toes if you can. If you cannot reach your toes, don't worry. Stretch as much as you can. Okay. And if you can stretch, touch your head to your knee and hold the stretch. Keep your chest upright. Keep turning your body towards the ceiling. And come back. Very, very good for toning your sides. Okay, if you have heaviness on the side, okay, if you have love handles, this full love handles get side fat, this will really help you to tone that. Now same thing on the other side. Okay, first stretch is where you keep your foot closer to your groin. Okay, back straight, take a deep breath in. Breathing out, go down, grab your foot and go down. Keep pressing your knee down, keep your toes curled. Feel the strength, breathe. Inhale and come up. Exhale, grab your knee, turn your shoulder and stretch. Your head will go towards your knee. Keep rotating your chest upwards and come back. So this is a very basic stretch. Now let's go on to the other stretch, which is very, very good for your back, for your hands and for your entire body. Sitting basic asana, Parvatasana. Now guys, if you can sit in Padmasana, which is lotus pose, you can try and sit in that. If you cannot sit in lotus pose, don't worry. Sit with your legs crossed. Simply, you can also do this sitting on your sofa. Okay. Unbelievable flexibility. Thank you so much, Samvit. Thank you so much. This flexibility will come if you practice regularly. Your body will become flexible. 1,000 people in the morning. So good to see you all. Thank you so much, everyone, for tuning in. I see only very few hearts, so guys, keep sending those hearts. And if you guys are doing along with me, it's okay. You don't have to bother about those stars, about those hearts. Amit is here. Good morning, Amit. Thank you for tuning in. Bhupendra Singh ji, good morning. Good morning, everyone. So now I'm going to do Parvatasana. Sit in Padmasana if you can. Now, how do you do Padmasana? Is you pull your foot leg up and place it on your near your groin. Okay. Like this. Now if you can get the other leg up, try getting it. If not, you can just simply sit like this. Okay, if your body allows you to take this up, you will pull it and bring it up over here. Keep your back straight. Keep pressing your knees down. Okay, take a deep breath in. Stretch. And keep pulling your hands up. So you can start, I directly started. You can start with your hands over here on the side. Parvat means a mountain. Strong like a mountain. You should feel strong while you're doing it and not just do for the sake of it. Looks like a very simple asana, but very, very good for your back. Very, very good to boost your blood circulation. Okay. Keep your back straight. Both the hands down. Inhale. Both the hands up. Join your hands up. And when you're doing this, do not overstretch your shoulders, okay? So put your shoulder joint back into its socket. Don't do this. Shoulder back into the socket, okay? And feel the length in your arms. Keep stretching, keep your back straight, keep on breathing. Deep breath in, breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Feel the stretching, feel the blood flowing through your hand and going through your upper body. So this is an amazing, amazing stretch. A very, very good asana. You can keep your eyes closed and take 3 deep breaths over here. And slowly turn your palms and drop your hands down. Okay. So very important exercise for improving the blood circulation in your hands and your back. I just started from today. Sohan Rai, good morning. Okay, so are you just doing yoga for the first time? Then you can safely do it. You don't have to worry. This is a basic routine that you can follow. And people who are into yoga can also do this routine, because this will really help you to energize yourself. Okay, so don't worry, you can directly start doing what I'm doing. Very basic stuff I'm doing. You can't sit with your legs in Padmasana. Simply cross your legs. Okay, just sit like this. Just sit like this. Don't worry about Padmasana. Okay, so keep your back straight, and we will do Parvatasana. Okay, now in Parvatasana we'll do a twist, which is again very good for your back. Okay, so sit with your legs crossed. Keep your back straight. Breathing in, join your hands. Now breathing out. First though, you have to keep your shoulders down. Don't overstretch your shoulders down. Keep your elbows straight. Don't completely lock it. Okay, but don't bend it also. Keep it soft. Now breathe in the center. As you breathe out, you have to twist. When you twist, your head will go along with your arm. So you will not do this. Okay, your head will go along with your arm, and you will not look back. Your head will be in the center. Okay, and twist as much as you can, so that your shoulder and your knee both come in one line. Inhale, come back in the center. Exhale, take a deep breath in again. Breathing out slowly, go to the other side. Keep your hips grounded, okay, and keep your body up straight, not round your back, head in between your hands. Slowly breathing in, come back, turn your palms and rest. Simple asana, but when you do it, you will feel that your arms are feeling heavy, the blood circulation, you will feel that the blood is rushing to your upper body. So very good stretch, Parvat Asana. Okay, now we will do the other asanas. I'm going to be standing and I'm going to be doing Surya Namaskar. Surya Namaskar is wonderful, guys, for improving the flexibility, for stretching your entire body, and for increasing your energy levels. You are going to love it. So please watch me how to do this. Can we move the camera, sorry, at the back slightly. Okay, so we are going to do Surya Namaskar. You guys can do along with me. If you have any issues with your shoulders, I'm going to show you variation. People who have pain in their back, I'm going to show you variations. Okay, so don't worry. I'm going to be doing the entire sequence with variations. Okay, so let's start. Come on the top of the mat. To move a little at the mat. Okay, yeah. Okay, start from the top of the mat. Okay, inhale, arch back. I hope you guys can see me. Exhale, bend forward. Turn your head towards your knee. Inhale, the right leg will go back. Okay, then your left leg will go back. Your body will be parallel to the floor. Okay, do not lock your elbows. Keep your elbows soft. Then slowly drop your body down. Okay, and this is a variation for people who cannot do the other asana. I'll show you. So ideally, you're supposed to touch your knees down first and touch your chest in between your hands, and then come up like this. But if you can't do this, you can simply drop your body down, keeping your toes flat. Then inhale and come up. 6, 7, downward dog. Press your heels down. Look at your belly button. Inhale, right leg in between your hands. Okay? Don't do this. This is wrong. Your knee will never exceed your toes. Your knee and your ankle will be in one line. Look up. Breathe in. Breathe out. Keep your feet together. Turn your head inwards. Inhale, slowly come up, arch back, exhale and down. So this was Surya Namaskar. I have done Surya Namaskar in a lot of my sessions. Okay, so So if you're doing yoga in the morning, can you tell the asana name as you do Surya Namaskar? Okay, I can tell you the asana names. So the first step where you're moving your hands at the back. Okay, this is the first stretch. Okay, then you bend forward. That is Uttan Asana. Okay. Also, the other name of that asana is Hasta Padasana. Your hands are holding your legs. So that's Hasta Padasana. You're doing a lunge, okay? So which is a part of warrior, okay? Anjai Asana is also called as. So this lunge, you call it Anjai Asana also, okay? Plank. This is a plank, okay? Then you drop your body down. This is also called as Ashtang Namaskar. Your 8 body parts are touching the floor. Okay, then you're doing Bhujang Asana. Okay, then you're doing a downward dog pose. Okay, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Okay, this is downward dog. Then again you're doing lunge, Anjai Asana. Feet together, Uttan Asana or Hasta Padasana. And you go up. Okay, so this is how you do a Surya Namaskar depending on your strength. Now, you know, if I tell you how many Surya Namaskars I do, you will be scared. But I do 50 Surya Namaskars. I don't do it very fast. Okay, it takes me about 30 minutes to finish 50 Surya Namaskar. I do it very slowly, feeling each and every stretch in my body. I do it along with the mantras. So guys, if you go to YouTube, you will find there are Surya Namaskar mantras, okay? So you can do Surya Namaskars with the mantras, or you can play Om chanting at the background and you can do the entire Surya Namaskar. So it's very good to do your practice, okay, with the mantras. Mantras के साथ में अगर आपने practice की तो आपको फायदा ज़्यादा होगा. You will feel more energetic, okay? Your mind will be relaxed, okay? So it's a great way to meditate also. Mantras के ऊपर, you know, you just sit with your eyes closed and you listen to those mantras and you meditate. Great flexibility. धन्यवाद. रबड़ भी आपको देखकर शर्मा जाए. Okay. No, it's not as so flexible. I started when I was in my 20. I was 20-year-old when I started. So now it's been a few years, but yeah, I should have started a little more early. So the earlier you start in life, the more flexible you become. So flexibility comes with practice, and flexibility is just one part of fitness. It's not your complete fitness. Everything else is also important. Your cardio health, your strength, your endurance, everything, your body composition, everything matters. Okay, so flexibility is just one part of fitness. So don't don't worry if you are not flexible. Flexibility is different for different people, but you have to try to improve your flexibility always, and that will happen if you practice regularly. Now I'm going to show you other asanas. Standing, I do daily 108 times Surya Namaskar. This is so cool, Mani Vanan. This is cool. 108 times Surya Namaskar. You don't have to do anything else, because if you're doing Surya Namaskar 108 times, guys, what I did was one round of Surya Namaskar, and he does 108 rounds of Surya Namaskar. This is commendable. Very, very good. So you need to have immense amount of strength. You need to have patience. You need to have that endurance. You need to have that strength in your head. Okay, your willpower has to be strong to be able to do 108 Surya Namaskar, and that discipline also. So this is amazing. Hats off to you. So keep practicing and keep motivating everyone. Okay, so guys, this was Surya Namaskar standing. You can do many asanas. So you can maybe start with Surya Namaskars. You can start with the sitting stretches and then go to Surya Namaskar. You can do about 30, 40, 50 Surya Namaskar as a beginner. You can just start with 2, then you can go to 4, 6, 8. Slowly you increase. Don't jump into it suddenly, okay? Or you will have pain, you'll have injury. So listen to your body, go slow. Almost 10 years, Sarat Babuji. I am doing it almost for 10 years. Yeah. Mani Vanan for 5 years. That's great. I'm doing for 10 years now. It's been 10 good years. So guys, this was what I showed you was Surya Namaskar. Now you can do the other asanas which are very very good for the back, so that you can lie down on your stomach. Okay, we are going to end the session. I'm going to do few asanas where we are going to stretch the back, so you can do this regularly in your practice. Okay, so lie down on your stomach and keep your hands forward. Keep your chin on the floor. We are going to do Naukasana. Your hands and your legs will go up together. Okay. So inhale, hands up, legs up. Okay. This is wonderful for your back. Okay. Do not bend your knees. Keep your feet together and keep lifting your legs and your hands up. Your arms will come near your ears. Keep lifting and hold the stretch for 5 counts. And then slowly release, drop your head down. Very very good for your back, very very good for strengthening your back, and very very good for boosting your metabolism. Any anti-gravity poses, all backward bending asanas are very good for your immunity and for your metabolism. Let's do this once more. Breathing in, hands up, legs up. Keep lifting. Hold the stretch, breathe, and out. Okay, very good for your back. Now bend your knees. We are going to do Dhanurasana. Dhanurasana is also very good for your back. Grab your ankles, keep your chin on the floor. Inhale. Okay, I'm going to do it this way so that you guys can see me properly. And slowly come up. Keep lifting your thighs up. Drop your head at the back. Very good for improving your posture. Very good for strengthening your legs, your glutes, toning your glutes, and for your back. Okay, and then at last you do child's pose. Stretch your back in child's pose. Child pose is very very relaxing for the back. And at the end you lie down on your back. Turn to one side, lie down on your back. Okay, give a nice hug to your knee. Bend your knees, pull your knees towards your chest. Keep your toes pointing down. Pull your knees towards your chest. Try to grab your elbows if you can. If you cannot hold your elbows, don't worry. You can just hold your knees and keep pulling your knee towards your chest. Okay, then gently lift your head up, touch your head to your knees. And drop your body down. You can add a twist to this towards the end. You just hold on, keep your hand at shoulder level. Drop your knees to one side, knee over your knee, turn your head to the opposite side. Come back in the center. Okay. Go to the other side. Knee over your knee. Come back and relax. Then relax in Shavasana. I'm sure you all know how to do Shavasana. Keep your eyes closed, palms facing up, and relax. So this is how you will end your session. I showed you how you can begin your session, how you can do standing asanas, how you can do lying down asanas. All these asanas are very very good for beginners and for all levels. Very very good for stretching your entire body. So guys, that's all for today. I hope you all had fun. I hope you all practice with me. If not, you guys can also watch this video. Will get recorded. You guys can watch this video later and practice along with me, and you can share this with your friends and family. Don't forget to participate in the Goki challenge. You can do all your fitness activity and also tag Goki on those activities, on those pictures, and put it on Goki Arena. So guys, keep smiling, take very very good care of yourself. Thank you for being such a brilliant audience. Thank you so much for coming in and watching my session and for sending me so many beautiful hearts. Keep smiling. Thank you so much Sambitji. Thank you so much Ketty, Tanay Rawat. Thank you so much Sarad Banu Chilturi. Thank you Krishnan. Thank you everyone for being so kind, for being so loving. I hope to see you all today at 9:30, guys. I'm going to be live again today at 9:30, where I will be talking about few healthy habits that you can pick up or healthy challenges that you can do that will help you to make the most of your this valuable time in quarantine and to improve your health. So this is the time that you've got. Let's make the most of this lockdown here. You know, we are at home. We can introduce many healthy habits into our lives and keep ourselves fit. Okay, so guys, please keep watching Goki. 9:30 milte hai, and also I'm going to be all over Goki today, so I'm going to be there live again at 1:30. So 1:30 को भी मैं आऊंगी, 9:30 को भी आऊंगी. आज पूरा दिन आपके साथ ही हूँ मैं. So keep watching Goki, keep smiling, take very good care of yourself and be the boss. Namaste. Bye.